Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change the battery on your Hyundai Santa Fe key fob. First, let's gather our essential tools. You'll need a fresh CR 2032 3-volt coin battery, which is commonly used in these fobs. Also, grab a small flathead screwdriver or a dedicated prying tool. Having a clean, well-lit area is crucial to avoid misplacing any tiny components during the process. This simple task can save you time and a trip to the dealership. Now, let's carefully open your key fob. Begin by locating the small release button, usually found on the side or back. Press this button and slide out the emergency mechanical key. This key often reveals a small notch or slot. Insert your flathead screwdriver or prying tool into this notch. With gentle, steady pressure, twist the tool to carefully pry apart the two halves of the key fob casing. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. It's typically a CR 2032 coin cell. Before removing it, take a quick mental note or a picture of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. Usually, the positive side, marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. Use your small screwdriver to gently pry out the old battery. Now, carefully insert the new CR 2032 battery, ensuring the positive side is facing the correct direction, just as the old one was. Finally, let's put everything back together and test your newly powered key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the key fob casing. Press them firmly together until you hear and feel them snap securely into place around the entire perimeter. Once the casing is sealed, slide the emergency mechanical key back into its slot. Now, test all the buttons on your key fob to ensure it's working perfectly. You've successfully changed your Hyundai Santa Fe key fob battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.